fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. Today, we're going to be building this Santa Fe Caboose, which is in a slightly different style than the last caboose that we've built here. And this is what it looks like. So let's get right into the build now. So the first step is to take out a dark oak stair for the coupler and get it attached up. Behind it here, coming off it in the middle, we're going to put 2 polished black stone blocks and then 3 dark oak fence gates under it for an airline. On the outside edges of this polished black stone block, we're going to put a polished black stone stair facing outward on each side and then a polished black stone block on the outside edges. Then 5 across the top on the end here and 1 on each side of the bottom. Then another outward facing stair on each side of this block and 3 polished black stone blocks across the top. In front of that, we're going to make a 5x3 of polished black stone. And this will frame in our staircase on the end here. Then we're going to put 3 oak slabs coming up this gap here for stairs and 3 oak slabs on this side as well. Next, in front of this, we're going to put a netherite on each rail for wheels with an end rod axle. In front of that, we're going to take out deep slate tile stairs, upside down in a back-to-back T-shape pattern that's 3 blocks wide. Then another set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then on the second layer up, we're going to put a row of polished black stone blocks up the middle, 14 blocks long. In front of that, on the next block down, we'll get a netherite on each rail with an end rod axle. And then same as before, upside down, deep slate tile stairs in a back-to-back T-shape pattern, 3 blocks wide. Then a final set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then we'll extend this middle line of polished black stone across this truck. In front of it, we're going to do a 5x3 of polished black stone. Then we're going to put 2 polished black stone coming off this center block and 2 outward facing polished black stone stairs on either side of it. Then we're going to turn this way and stack up a dark oak stair till it's on that middle block for the coupler on this end. Delete the ones we used for placement. Come underneath it and put 3 dark oak fence gates in the middle for an airline. Then we're going to put a polished black stone block on each of this outside edge on the end here, and then 1 underneath it on each side. And then we'll come up top here, 3 across here, and 5 across here. Then 3 oak slabs coming up this side for stairs, and 3 oak slabs coming up this side as well. Then we're going to come on the side of this middle bar here and put a full row of outward facing, upside down polished black stone stairs end to end. And then we'll do the exact same thing on this side, so a full row of upside down, outward facing, polished black stone stairs going end to end here. Then on this third layer up, we're going to fill in this top middle 3 end to end with polished black stone block. And bring it right down to this end here. Then on the top outside edge, we're going to put a full row of red nether brick slabs end to end. And we'll do the same thing over here. So a full row of red nether brick slabs up on this side. Then we're going to come down underneath it here and we're going to take out a polished deep slate wall. We're going to skip 2 blocks over from the wheels and put a row of 4, skip 2, and a row of 2. So it looks like that. Now we're going to come on top here and starting on the 3rd block back from the end on the side, we're going to put a row of 8 red concrete coming towards the center. And then copy that on this side. And we'll do the same thing at this end. So start right here, 8 red concrete coming towards the center. And then same thing on this side here. Then on this end, 1 red concrete on each side here, and a red nether brick stair in the middle. And then the same thing at this end, a red concrete on each side, and a red nether brick stair in the middle. Then on this gap on the side, we're going to take out yellow concrete, and we're going to put 2 yellow concrete in the very center. And then same thing on this side. Then take out an oak stair, right side up here, then facing this way here. Copy it on this side. Then we're going to take out granite, and we're going to fill in this whole middle 3 to make the floor of the interior, and go end to end with our granite blocks. Once we have that, we're going to take out a crimson door, put a door right here, and then do the same thing at the other end, put a door right here. Then a 2x2 of red concrete on each side of the door, and same thing on this end here. Now I'm looking at a model caboose to make this, and it doesn't have windows on the end, but if you do want windows on the end, you can knock out these blocks and put in a cyan stained glass block. And same thing down here. Now we're going to come back down to where this middle is, and we're going to take our yellow concrete out again. And we're going to put 4 yellow concrete across the middle and 2 on top of it. Same thing here, so 4 and then 2 in the middle. Then we're going to put a full row of red concrete from the side to the yellow concrete. You can do that on all 4 sides of the caboose here. Then 2 red concrete here and here next to the logo. Skip 1, put 1 in, and 2 on the end, so it looks like that. So 2, skip 1, 1, skip 1, 2. And we do this on all 4 to frame in our windows. Then we're going to put upside down oak stairs facing this way here, and facing the other way in this gap here. Then we'll come through here and put in cyan stained glass pane for all of our windows. Then we'll go back to red concrete, and we're going to go all the way around the top outside edge of the caboose with red concrete. And bring it down here, around this end, and back to the middle so it meets up. Now come on top here, 1 block over from where the logo is, and put red concrete coming forward to 1 block past the logo. Then we come across and back over and just box it in with red concrete. Above it, a red concrete in each corner, then 1 in each middle on these sides, and 2 in the middle on these sides. Then we'll fill all these gaps with cyan stained glass panes for the windows of our cupola. Now we'll come on down inside here, and we're going to take out a prismarine block. Right here on the side of the logo, put 3, and then 3 on this side. And we'll do the same thing over here. And here I was trying to figure out exactly how I wanted to do this. I put 1 across each of these middles, but don't do that because I take them back out. In here, a 2x2 of bookshelves to be some storage shelves. And then here's where I took out those middle ones, and 2 prismarine across the top of the bookshelves. Then we need to put some seats up here, so use whatever stairs look best to you. You could put them sideways like this, or we can just have them at one end facing one direction, like that. Then we need to be able to get up here, so we're going to take out a ladder, put 3 ladders right there coming up, and then 3 ladders on the opposite end down here. Then we're going to do a little bathroom here, so put an end portal there for a toilet, and then 3 prismarine coming up on this side of it. And then 1 across the top above it Then we'll turn this way and put a warp door across this bathroom. Just like that. Then over here we're going to do a countertop and sink. So we need to get a sideways barrel and then 2 cauldrons. Then 2 more sideways barrels. We're going to crouch and we're going to put white carpet on top of the barrels for the countertop. Fill the cauldrons with water. Right here we're going to put a tripwire hook for the faucet and then hit the water with some light blue dye. Over here we're going to skip 1 block from the end and we'll put 4 sideways barrels here, then crouch and put white carpet above those, and in this gap right here we'll put a bed. And now this side's done and we can go down and work on the other end here. On this end we'll go ahead and put a bed on each side here. Then between the windows we're going to put a blast furnace and 3 polished black stone walls coming up. Then we're going to take out a scaffold here, skip a block, put a scaffold on each side for a table, and then we can put stairs on either side of it to be seats. In this gap over here, we're going to put 2 chests. Then we're going to light it, so take out a torch, put a torch on each end here and here, then 1 there and there, then 1 on each side down here, 1 here and 1 here. Then we're going to come up top and take out smooth stone slabs, and we're going to fill in this whole roof 5 wide with smooth stone slabs down to the end of it. Then we're going to extend it out 2 more rows of 5 past the end, so it covers this porch. Then we'll come over and do the same thing on this side here. So fill it in 5 wide with smooth stone slabs and just come right around this polished black stone wall here, because that's going to be the vent pipe for the little stove that's down there. Bring it right down to the end, and same as the other side, extend it 2 rows past. Then we'll come on top of the cupola here and fill in the whole top of this with smooth stone slabs, and we'll extend it out 1 row past the side of the cupola. Just keep filling this in here, and same thing on this end, extend it out 1 block past where the windows are. So once the roof's all filled in, it should look like this. Then we're going to take an anvil and put a sideways anvil on top of this polished black stone wall here. Now we'll do our railings, so take out a dark oak fence. Right here, come up in a column of 4. Then right here, we'll come up in another column of 4. And then come right across the end here to the other side. Then a column of 4 here and here. We'll do the same thing on this end. Column of 4 here, column of 4 here. Then come right across this end. Column of 4 here and here. Then we got to do our brake wheel, so come around this way, right here, close a jungle trapdoor for the brake wheel. Then there's a ladder on each end, and we'll just use fences for that. So on this right hand side, 2 columns of dark oak fences coming up to this roof. And then same thing down here, on the right hand side, 2 columns of dark oak fences coming up to this roof. Now we're going to take out an oak sign here, and starting on this second block up at the logo, put a full row of blank oak signs coming down to the end. And we're going to do that on all 4 sides of the caboose. Now that we have that nice stripe down the side, we're going to take out an oak button for more detail. Put 1 next to this railing here and 1 block away from the logo. Same thing on this side. 1 block away from the logo and 1 next to the railing. Then we do the same thing here and here. Then we need to make some banners here. So we're going to come over and go into a loom, and we're going to be using a red banner and yellow dye. Vertical on the left, vertical on the right, horizontal on the middle, horizontal on top, new banner. Vertical in the middle, horizontal on top, new banner. Vertical on top and bottom, diagonal, new banner. Vertical on the left, horizontal on top, horizontal in the middle. Switch to red dye and put a red border around all of these letter banners. Then we're going to come place these, and we're going to come on the right hand side of the logo here, and we're going to put a row of 4 item frames here, and then put our banners in so it says ATSF. Then we'll do the same thing on this other side. So on the right hand side on this side, 4 item frames, and then our banners spelling ATSF. And I'm realizing in the recording I put the die there instead of the banner. Now we're going to come back on top with a smooth stone slab and come right up the middle with it to the end. Then 2 off to one side, but I did it wrong there. It needs to be on the side with the ladder. So this side should be single slabs and 2 on this side with the ladder, because this is going to be for like the roof walkway here. Then we'll do the same thing on this end. Smooth stone slabs right up the middle, and then 2 on the side with the ladder. Then, on all of these raised smooth stone slabs, we're going to put iron trapdoors, so it actually looks like a walkway. And we'll do the same thing on this side, iron trapdoors above all these. Then in the middle, a glow item frame and a block of redstone for a marker light. Same thing on this end, glow item frame and a block of redstone. Then we're going to take out lanterns and put a lantern on each side on the outside here to light up this porch. We can do the same thing over here. Then one last thing to do here, we need to detail the trucks. So we're going to come on the side of the trucks here. Everywhere there's a wheel, put a hopper. In front of the stairs, put 2 dark oak fences for detailing. Same here, so fences in front of the stairs, hoppers in front of the wheels. Then we got to do the other side. So hoppers in front of these wheels, fences in front of the stairs, and 1 more corner to go here. Hoppers in front of these wheels, fences in front of the stairs. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our red Santa Fe Caboose. I hope you enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.